Our Workers Wanted this morning features the largest veterans job fair in the state of Michigan so far this year, and a Tigers game is included with this. This is the second year for the U.S. Chamber of Commerce's Hiring Our Heroes job fair, sponsored by Chevrolet and the Detroit Tigers. It's set for Friday, July 15th from 9:30 until 2 at Comerica Park. This is free and open to any military service members, veterans, and military spouses. Now, the day is split into two different parts. At 9:30, there is an employment workshop that offers resume writing tips and elevator speech pointers. Then from 11 to 2, the hiring fair takes place. More than 100 employers will be there. And to cap it all off, all registered veterans and military spouses who come are eligible to receive up to 2 free tickets to attend that night's Tigers game against the Royals. It's a great opportunity. Last August was the first time that the Tigers had done something like this, and about 400 job seekers turned out. For more information, just go to WXYZ.com/workerswanted.